Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is one of the most beautiful sun catchers I think I've ever seen.
You know that moment when the sun hits just right and your whole room shimmers? Well, make that happen on purpose. This is the Pozbee Moon Sun Catcher. It's a rose quartz and crystal accented moon-shaped piece that's designed to catch the sunlight, reflect rainbows, and add a little magic into your space. It's not just pretty, it's really a mood maker. It acts like tiny little prisms with the crystals, scattering light across your walls and your ceiling, little rainbows everywhere, and it just makes the best vibes, and it is absolutely breathtakingly beautiful and would make the perfect gift and even comes wrapped so you can gift it.
If you want to add something beautiful to any room in your house, this sun catcher is absolutely gorgeous, and I definitely recommend getting one for yourself. And that's my point of view.